She said she don't know if Mr. Peter Obi is going to merge with anybody. That if Mr. Peter Obi merge with anybody, that as far as Peter Obi is the candidate, I mean the presidential candidate, that she's going to canvass and support Mr. Peter Obi. But she said that the only reason that will make her to dump Mr. Peter Obi is if Mr. Peter Obi becomes a running mate to someone that is not trusted, someone that people don't believe in.
Well, honestly, to be, in my candid opinion, I really don't know. I really don't know. It could go either way. They could decide that they're going to work together. But for me, the thing is that it's not really just about having a merger. So I was one person who in 2015 knew the government, the then government had failed and there needed to be a change. And I felt, and I remember a lot of my tweets, I mean, they're still out there for anyone to search, where I kept saying that, look, Nigerians, we are the ones that have to ensure that we are holding these politicians accountable. Bring in anyone. If they don't do well, vote them out. Well, unfortunately, Nigerians voted and then went back to go and sleep. And because one of the things that we fail to do a lot of times is to hold people in offices accountable. The demand side of government, as citizens, we've not been able to do that a lot. So it's left to a few people. And I always say that Nigeria needs more active citizens and not more activists. Everybody has to, do that demand side of government. So if it's not about they coming together to just win elections, first of all, they need to reform. And I've not seen any of these parties doing that. They need to rejig their party machinery, their internal democracy.
But if Peter Obi became the candidate for that party, would you support it?
For me, I will support Mr. Peter Obi as a person. That's why for me, it's the candidate I'm supporting. It doesn't matter wherever party, whatever it is that he goes into. But one thing that Aisha Yusuf will not support is where if Peter Obi becomes a running mate to anybody. Nah, I'm not on that ticket. Right. I wouldn't be on that.